Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sync audio with video. Audios with videos are using the CapCut feature in CapCut. So add in an audio here. You can use sounds, you can upload sounds and stuff like that. I'm just going to select sounds from CapCut, or you can actually just separate the audio from the video. Let me just select, where is the extract? There it is. Select the audio and then you're going to select beats. Go to add beat here. And I usually just like to auto generate and select add beats automatically because it's easier that way. And you'll have beat 1 and beat 2, and just press the check mark button, and you're just going to select your video and match it with the beat and cut it with the beat and stuff. Or if you want to put pictures between those beats, you can to match it, I guess. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.